Alright, greetings YouTube. So for you those that don't know, I've been collecting gold bars, silver bars and coins since I am investing. And today I've received my gold and my silver, which I purchased from Buy Silver Malaysia. It's a very, the reputation is very good in terms of purchasing bullions and coins. So they have a security tapes here, which proves that this package have not been opened before. I'm just gonna cut this open. So first thing inside, we have a receipt saying that I bought a Johnson Matthey 1 ounce silver bar and 1 PAMP Lady Fortuna 2.5 gram gold bar. So inside the package we have these little things here, so just gonna open it up. Again, the package is very secured. They give you many layers of protection, so you don't have to worry about the water damage or everything. Okay. I'm gonna open this baby up. It's a Lady Fortuna 3.5 gram 0.999 gold bar. It's very gorgeous gold bars right here. They have a Lady Fortuna crafted here, and they have a new security system. It's called Veriscan, which you can just scan using the apps, and scan the bar and they can verify if it's a real one. And here's the serial number, and it will be easier for you to sell if you have the Veriscan and this serial number match. So very gorgeous little things right here. It's 2.5 gram by PAM, and it's bigger than I imagined, because maybe I'm got used to the 1 gram small bar. They're usually this small. I have it right here. This is the 1 gram bar which I purchased 2 months earlier, and yeah, the difference is kind of big. Maybe I've got used to this size, so I feel like this is kind of big. 1 ounce silver bar by Johnson Matthey. This is one of the best liquided silver bars in the market. It's 1 ounce. It's like 31.1 gram. Fine silver 999. Very beautiful silver bar right here. The crafting is very gorgeous. Look at this shiny baby. It's beautiful. It's very gorgeous. So yes, for this purchase I purchased these 2 things right here. So in the future I will stack more of this silver bar definitely, and the gold bar I will see if the price is right. I'll make more purchase. That's it for this unboxing, and if you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe my channel for more video like this.